Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, firstly advance Rakhi to all of you guys. And today we are going to make this traditional looking Rakhi. So let's get started. Firstly, take a small cardboard and a silk thread. Start winding the silk thread around it for about 200 times. And you can use your favorite colored silk thread or a multicolored silk thread. The choice is yours. After you're done, pull the silk thread bundle out of it. Now glue in the center and tie few knots over it. It will look like a ribbon. Now take a scissor and start cutting the ends. Press from the center of one end of the silk thread to the other end this way. This is how it should look. Let's keep this aside. Now take a thick paper and glue a kundan in the center. And start sticking the white stone chain around it. Add about 3 to 4 lines of the stone chain depending on how big or small you want the rakhi to be. Let it dry for some time and cut the excess paper right now. This is how it looks. Keep this aside too. Now take 3 bunches of silk thread. Each one consists of about 6 to 7 strands of silk thread. Take them all together and leave some inches starting from the end of the thread and glue it. Add a silk thread around it to secure it tightly. Now let's start braiding this. You have to braid it tightly so that it doesn't come off easily. keep braiding to the length it fits the hand. After you're done, apply some glue and few knots over it. I added a stone chain over the knot to cover it up. So you're pretty much done, and all you need is stick all of them together. So take a hot glue gun and glue all of them together this way. That's it, your rakhi is done. So do surprise your brothers with this DIY rakhi. I'm sure they will like it. So that's it for today. Happy advance rakhi to all of you guys, and do watch my other videos as well, and please subscribe to my channel. Happy rakhi and happy crafting, guys.